If you're traveling overseas but you realize you forgot to bring cash, can you still survive? In today's video, I'm collaborating with the Tiger Boss Debit Card to go around shops in Malaysia to see if they accept card payments. If you're still queuing up to exchange your Singapore dollars at money changes, then this may be the ultimate time and cost saving solution for you, which is the Tiger Boss Debit Card by Tiger Brokers Singapore. The first ever debit card in Singapore that earns you Tesla fractional shares. Tiger Brokers Singapore has also partnered with Wise to provide card issuance and account issuing services. This means that the Tiger Boss Debit Card also offers competitive FX rates so you can save more money during your overseas holidays. And of course, if you want to learn more about saving money during your overseas travel, come and join us at over 15,000 members at our Honey Money SG community Telegram group for free. And to start, I'm going to pay for my coffee bill with the Tiger Boss Debit Card. To apply for the Tiger Boss Debit Card, you first have to apply for a Tiger Brokers account with an exclusive link right here, and you can receive up to $3,600 of rewards, including $30 of Tesla fractional shares with cumulative net deposit of minimum 1,500 Singapore dollars within 7 days of the first deposit. With my first transaction done, let's go to my next destination. At the highest tier, where your cumulative deposit is 10,000 Singapore dollars and above, you can receive 6 lucky draw chances worth 120 to $3,600. Make sure to maintain your assets for 30 days and complete 3 trades. Once you have downloaded the Tiger Trade app and activated your Tiger Brokers account, go to Profile, then Debit Card, and transfer your funds from your main account to the debit card. Now let's try the Tiger Boss Debit Card in supermarket. It is as easy as ABC. No need to take out your wallet for cash or even receive change, which can be rather inconvenient. With card payment, you can also skip the manual counter queue and go straight to the self-checkout counters like how I do. The physical card may take some time to deliver, but you can already start using the Tiger Boss Debit Card by adding the card details to your mobile wallets, example Apple Pay and Google Pay. Then pay for your purchases via mobile contactless payment like me. Even local hardware stores in Malaysia like Mr. DIY do accept credit card and debit card, so Malaysia is indeed very card payment friendly. Then what about small hawker stores? No problem, we can still use the Tiger Boss Debit Card to top up to e-wallets like GrabPay e-wallet, which we can then make payment via the Do It Now QR code. To be clear, there is a list of exclusions that you can refer to on those merchants that do not earn the 1% cashback in Tesla shares, and MCC 6540 for e-wallet top-up is one of the exclusions. But there is still one more thing. You have to accumulate a minimum of 1 Singapore dollars in cashback on T+0 to receive the Tesla fractional shares on T+1. Which means once you have accumulated at least 100 Singapore dollars of eligible retail spend, the 1 Singapore dollars of Tesla fractional shares will be received on the next trading day. As you can see, it's totally possible to live in Malaysia with just a debit card. So you can just bring your Tiger Boss debit card next time you travel overseas. With the favorable exchange rate powered by Wise and the added convenience that it brings, and it even gives you Tesla share rewards, I think this card is really a good option to have, and thank you to Tiger Broker Singapore for sponsoring this video. And if you want to learn of more travel spend strategies, be it pre-trip or during trip, then you can refer to my previous video right here.